Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Medal TV not recording. If Medal TV is not recording your gameplay, do not worry. So first you need to open your Medal TV, and next is you need to go to this auto clip here in the top, and if it is off, you need to simply toggle it on. And that is it. And also verify that gameplay recording is turned on. And you should also verify that your recording hotkey is set to correctly. You can go to this setting in the bottom left, and you need to go to this capture hotkey here and make sure the clip hotkey has not been changed or assigned to another application. And another helpful step is to run Medal as an administrator. In the bottom, there's this search here. You need to type down Medal. And over here, you need to click over here that says run as administrator. And this can resolve permission issues with certain games. And if you're using any antivirus program or VPN, you need to turn it off. And that is it. That is how you can fix Medal TV not recording. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.